Hello everyone, in this video we will be reviewing the new HUAWEI GT2e, HUAWEI's latest addition to its GT collection. Today we're introducing the new HUAWEI Watch GT2e, the ultimate watch for fitness enthusiasts. Apart from its review, we will be looking at its cutting-edge design, powerful battery performance, in addition to the personalized features it has to offer. With its 2-week battery life, 1.39-inch Amoled display, stainless steel body, 15 workout modes, and 85 custom workout modes, the gadget promises to take the meaning of personal fitness to the next level. This new sports watch is the perfect companion to maintain a fit and healthy lifestyle this Ramadan season. The first thing that stands out is the long battery life that lasts up to 2 weeks. This is especially useful now during quarantine, when everyone is cooped up at home, either working or studying, and cannot be bothered with charging the device every other day. HUAWEI Watch GT2e is powered by Huawei's first self-developed wearable chipset, the Kirin A1. The chip provides low-power computing and a long-lasting battery life for workout tracking, heart rate detection, sleep monitoring, among other features. The chip gives a stable connection, robust audio processing capability, and excellent anti-interference performance. It also supports intelligent and seamless interaction. The Kirin A1 chip perfectly combines high performance and high power efficiency. In the current situation, when everyone is experiencing increased power usage at home, HUAWEI Watch GT2e supports Smart Power Saving 2.0, striking a perfect balance between performance and power consumption. High-speed data transmission with Bluetooth 5.1 with stronger anti-interference capability and Huawei smartphone's increased bandwidth, Kirin A1 enables longer-range device connection as well. For everyday use, it will intelligently switch to low-power mode for the dual-mode Bluetooth connection to increase battery life by about 20%. For heart rate monitoring, battery life is increased by about 15%. Staying fit while staying home has never been easier. Designed to inspire an active lifestyle, the new smartwatch helps track 100 sports ranging from traditional sports to latest forms of home workout exercises, including hip-hop dancing. HUAWEI Watch GT2e is 5 ATM water resistant and helps track sports like swimming, running, cycling, and climbing, to name a few, both for personal use and a professional mode. With the idea to inspire healthy living, the trendy watch can automatically detect 6 different workouts: outdoor running, outdoor walking, indoor running, elliptical, and rower. Apart from these, the watch can track leisure, extreme, ball, aquatics, and winter sports as well. A must in every sports enthusiast's closet for sure. The HUAWEI Watch GT2e has a large internal storage that can store up to 500 MP3 songs. One can transfer favorite track lists from the phone to the watch and listen to them remotely and autonomously from a smartphone. Or simply log on to Huawei Music with Bluetooth headphones and enjoy a custom playlist during exercise sessions. While users are enjoying their favorite sports, HUAWEI Watch GT2e will record data such as duration, calories burned, heart rate interval, exercise progress, recovery time, and more, providing users the chance to plan their exercise for better results. The HUAWEI Watch GT2e goes one step ahead to ensure fitness freaks are safe while exercising alone. It offers smart tracking for users with bradycardia and heart failure, with the option of changing the heart rate value and alerts in the settings. Under idle status, if the user's heart rate is greater than 100 beats per minute or lower than 50 beats per minute, lasting more than 10 minutes, a reminder will be sent to the user. With blood pressure monitoring, the device also keeps a close watch on the user's pressure levels. The HUAWEI Watch GT2e is especially beneficial to those who are working from home and having extra sedentary jobs. The smartwatch sends reminders to stand up at regular intervals. HUAWEI Watch GT2e comes installed with the Huawei True Sleep. With the help of Huawei's AI technology, it can accurately detect 6 typical problems, such as insomnia, light sleep, mid-sleep awakenings, waking up too early, dreaminess, and irregular bedtime, as well as providing hundreds of sleep improvement suggestions and personalized solutions. Quality reports can also be generated by users to study their patterns and bring about long-lasting improvements. Another important health aspect is the SPO2 check, which the GT2e does accurately. Oxygen saturation levels in the bloodstream are monitored via the Huawei Health app. Typically, a healthy person should have a SPO2 level between 90 and 100. Any significant drop in this indicates serious issues which need to be attended to immediately. With the changes in lifestyle that have happened due to the lockdown, Huawei Watch GT2e can keep a watch on chronic patients, people with heart or lung issues, and professionals with a hectic lifestyle. Based on the original smart look, Huawei Watch GT2e has taken a different direction from the previous Watch GT2 design, which includes a concealed crown unibody. Huawei Watch 2e is equipped with a 1.39-inch Amoled high-precision touch display, which makes it easy on the eye. With this vibrant display, users are always just one tap away from information, even if they are outside under bright sunlight. Keeping in mind the target audience, the design is sporty, with the dial separated from the strap and a round dial lending a classic meets modern look. The watch is available in the UAE in 3 earthy hues of graphite black, lava red and mint green, with a soft and comfortable floral rubber strap which is highly durable and long-lasting. Even during exercise sessions, the health monitoring is accurate and precise. Combining comfort with style, the robust nature of the watch is also seen in its 46mm casing, which has a sandblasted surface for better texture and steadiness. The multifunctional watch face allows users to customize settings they want, such as selecting what important reminders to receive during the day. Users can also make their smartwatch unique by choosing to display a personalized image on the watch face. The new Huawei Watch GT2e is your ideal stay fit while staying home companion. With an unmatched 2-week battery life, high-quality display, and 100 workout modes, the new watch is ready for pre-orders in the UAE starting May 7th with a special freebie, HUAWEI FreeBuds Lite. Our verdict: a complete sports watch, Huawei Watch GT2e is the perfect buy for users looking for an advanced smartwatch to enhance their athletic journey. The fitness tracking feature is an added benefit to avoid any untoward incidents and stay on top of one's health. An extended battery life makes it ideal for users looking to avoid the hassle of charging their devices often.